Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to enable high quality upload on TikTok using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you're using Android phone, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, if you want to upload a video and you're in this stage, okay? So I want you to do is to click on more options, then just go ahead and enable allow high quality uploads. So higher quality videos may take longer to process, okay? So that's the first step so that you can enable high quality upload on TikTok. So the next step to do is to go to your profile by clicking the profile button at the lower right corner of your screen. Now click on the three little lines at the upper right corner of your screen and click Settings and Privacy. So now you want to scroll down until you see Data Saver. So just go ahead and click that. So you need to make sure that you turn this off, okay? Because as you can see here, reduce your data consumption while using cellular data. Videos may be at a lower resolution or take longer to load. This won't apply when you are on Wi-Fi, okay? So that's it. That is how you enable high quality upload on TikTok. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.